Hey guys, Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. And this is another crypto video about a smart contract called Tron Fox. Actually, this contract is launched on Saturday, uh, which is just a few days ago, 5 days ago. And if we are to look at the statistics here, you can see it has been online for 5 days, and over 161 TRX has been invested into the contract. And this is the platform balance, 141, and the investors are only 131 investors. So it is a brand new smart contract based on the ROI, as you can see here. So these are things, they are the same, they are basic. If we have to check on its contract here, let us see its growth. So as it is opening, you can see okay, this is the balance. Let us try to check on the transactions. So what I'm seeing here is that people are just putting their money, though there is no much activity here, but I'm seeing people are just putting TRX into the platform. Let us check the analysis, the graph. The graph is just growing gradually in the 5 days. And if you look at the contract here, it shows that the source code is verified and it is a perfect match. So for people who can read codes, you can actually check out the code and check it out. But the ROI is just 1.1. Oh, sorry. The ROI is 1.1% per day, and you get an extra 1.1 if you hold for 10 days. So meaning that every day you hold, you'll get you'll be rewarded for holding, and the maximum you can get is 1.1. So meaning that these two give us up to 2.2% per day. So that will happen after 10 days. So that's the maximum this contract can pay, and can't pay any more than that. The referral commission is on 10 levels, but the first level is just 4%. So to benefit from the referral structure here, you have to really build your team and be active. So this is the contract. I'm not going to go into that because I'm not coder, I don't know about that. So these are the futures. 200 TRX is what you begin with, though it is a bit expensive here. Some contracts are, in fact, majority of them are 100 TRX. This is 200, which is unique, and still 200 TRX isn't much to start with. This is the 1.1% they told us in the contract, and 0.1% daily if you hold your funds in the system. It pays up to 200% total ROI in 60 days. So there is also 12% total referral bonus. So what I'm saying here is that in order to benefit well in this smart contract, you have to hold your funds as much as possible so that you can get the 2.2%. So we know Troncase, the new version, is giving up to 1.5%. So this one is better for the moment because it is paying up to 2.2% ROI. So these are the statistics. You can check the audit report here. This is the smart contract address, and this is their website. Oh, this is the audit. Oh, contract details. There is the disclaimer here. The code audit. So guys, you can this audit report is available on the website. You can always check it out. and be able to read and also find out whatever you want to find out of it. So I would like to get the conclusion. So you can see the source code has been tested and no vulnerability or backdoor found. The same code of this audit report has been deployed. So there is no backdoor here. You don't have to worry about your funds that they will be stolen by the owners or people who made this contract. So I tested this with just the minimum investment. Let me show you guys. I entered in on day one actually, and I only invested 200 TRX because I just wanted to check it out and see how it plays out. And to my surprise, I've seen here some people joined under me here. So I got this 24 TRX in terms of rewards. And as you can see, I've held for 2 days, and this has given me up to 1.3%. So I'm planning to hold and also add in my funds here and hold this until it reaches 2.2. When it reaches 2.2, I'm going to add in here like 5,000 TRX and see how it goes. So guys, I'm leaving my link in the description of this video. Feel free to check it out and join Tron Fox with the funds that you can afford to lose. So what else? So for people who are just joining the contract, this is the home page. It will open like this, and all you have to do is click on make investment. In fact, let me make a deposit here. What do I have in my wallet? I have little funds. Let me put 500 TRX, and I show you. You click on deposit. Hold on. Which wallet am I using here? I think I'll make this deposit later on when I have much funds. Oh, so guys, I will make the deposit when I have much fund, but this is what you do: put in the amount you want to deposit, and then you click on make deposit. So it will take you to your wallet where you'll have to confirm the transaction, and everything will be good. So guys, we also have a Telegram channel here for Tron Fox. This is the Telegram channel, and where all the news is being posted. As you can see, they're telling us that there is good news. They are now live on that radar, so you can check out the Telegram channel, and also you can ask questions here. This is like the calculator that can show you how you can earn higher ROI simply by holding. Like I told you that in the video, even here they tell you. So you can get to 210% ROI in 60 days if you follow this procedure. Yeah. So in 10 days of holding, you would have accumulated 11%. From day number 11 up to day number 20, when you are holding, you would have accumulated 33%. 21 days to 30 days, 66%, and so on. So guys, I don't want to talk much about this. I'm gonna leave everything in the description of the video. Feel free, check it out, and everything will be fine. And they're also here looking for leaders. You can apply and become a leader, but there is a condition: you must be a current leader with a team of 20 or more members. So guys, that is Tron Fox. I'll see you in another video.